Minestrone Soup. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion, chop 1 garlic clove, finely dice 1 celery stick, dice 1 carrot into bite-sized pieces, dice 1 zucchini into bite-sized pieces, roughly shred 1/4 of a cabbage, dice 3 potatoes into bite-sized pieces, chop 1 handful of beans into bite-sized pieces, roughly shred 1 handful of parsley, roughly shred 1 handful of fresh basil. Heat a pot on a high heat and add 1/2 cup of vegetable stock. Add the onion, garlic and celery sticks and saute for 1 minute. Add the potatoes, add the zucchinis, add the carrots, add the green beans, add 1.5 cups of cooked chickpeas, add 1.5 cups of cooked red kidney beans, add the cabbage, add the tinned tomatoes, add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, add 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram. Cover with vegetable stock. Bring to the boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 15 minutes. Add salt and pepper to taste, add the parsley and basil leaves and mix well, then serve.